Welcome to this tutorial on how to configure Etoro Crypto, a popular online platform for trading and investing in cryptocurrencies. Configuring Etoro Crypto is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency trading and the Etoro platform. First, you need to create an account on the Etoro website or mobile app. To do this, go to the Etoro website and click on the Sign Up button. Then fill out the registration form with your personal details and verify your email address. Once you have created your account, you need to deposit funds into it. Etoro supports various payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. To deposit funds, go to the Deposit Funds section and select your preferred payment method. Next, you need to navigate to the cryptocurrency section of the platform. Etoro offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. To access the cryptocurrency section, click on the Trade Markets button and select cryptocurrency from the drop-down menu. Now, you can browse through the available cryptocurrencies and select the one you want to trade. Each cryptocurrency has its own page, which provides detailed information about the cryptocurrency, including its current price, trading volume, and market capitalization. To configure your crypto settings, go to the Portfolio section and click on the Crypto tab. From here, you can view your crypto holdings, set price alerts, and adjust your risk management settings. You can also use the stop loss feature to limit your potential losses. It is essential to understand the risks involved in cryptocurrency trading and to set a budget before you start trading. Etoro also offers a virtual portfolio feature, which allows you to practice trading with virtual money before investing real funds. To get the most out of Etoro Crypto, it is recommended to stay up to date with market news and trends. Etoro provides a news feed and market analysis tools to help you make informed trading decisions. You can also use the Etoro mobile app to trade on the go and receive push notifications about market updates. In conclusion, configuring Etoro Crypto is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency trading and the Etoro platform. By following these steps and staying up to date with market news and trends, you can start trading cryptocurrencies on Etoro and achieve your investment goals.